Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Cops Knock Out Woman Mid-Arrest.
This woman has forced entry into this home and is refusing to leave.
Don't touch me again. Don't touch me again.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Valerie!
Hey! Get the off me.
Little does she know she's about to be knocked out cold by these officers.
Get the off me. Get the off me.
Stop! Sir.
Oh, her face bounced off the concrete.
You kicked it in?
Yeah, right there on the door.
No.
Where?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude,
You want arrested?
Yes, I do.
Okay, stand up, Valerie.
no.
Stand up.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
He opened the door for me.
Kicked her way in.
Yeah.
No.
And was
I'm
beating on
sorry,
the back
what,
door
Bailey?
forever.
Yeah, you were beating on the back door.
I was even on that door.
Yeah,
Did I
you
get my way
kicked
in?
the door in. Yeah.
Okay, was it locked
That's
or
how you got
like?
in.
I was trying to close
God.
it, and she kicked it. She got her foot in,
Bailey.
stopped me from closing it.
Good.
You're gonna do this? Hey, your son himself because you're.
Your hands-
Don't touch me
your hands
again.
behind your
Don't
back.
touch me again.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
You're under arrest.
No.
Yes, you are.
Don't touch me again.
Valerie, turn around and put your hands
Motherfucker.
behind your back.
I will say something.
Valerie!
Hey! You got your hands off me. Don't fuck you up.
Valerie!
Get the off me.
They gonna get her together, boy. What?
Stop!
Watch out for the dog. I got it. 42, I got it.
Just wait until backup comes.
Damn, dude.
Ooh.
Valerie, stop!
Get the fuck off me.
Stop!
Dude.
Valerie, stop.
You.
Stop!
You, Tommy.
Stop!
No.
Turn around.
No. I'm not going to jail.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You fucking fuck ass bitch.
Oh, she's a feisty one, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, my boy came from the station, boy. He ready to...
I got someone coming.
You tell your son to himself while he watches this.
He's fine.
Too.
We're done.
Get the fuck off me.
We're done.
Get the fuck
I'm not
off
doing this
me.
anymore.
Yeah, because Tommy's just you,
Yo.
dude.
Put your hands behind your.
No! And bitch, your kid's dead because you're a yes mom. You've been a drug addict for 20 years. Everyone hated you. Always. I don't give a fuck, Tommy. Fuck you.
Just help me get her turned over on her stomach so I can get this hand on her back.
Ew. Get away from me. Dude, don't touch me.
Man, she got a potty mouth, boy.
I got this one.
Oh, and that's Sarge?
Oh, you guys are so big.
Thanks.
You got a girl all by yourself.
Thanks.
Oh, awesome. Because Tommy couldn't do it himself because he's nothing but a little
443.
yes bitch like always.
Female 2-1. Stand up.
No. Get the fuck off me.
Stand up.
No.
Hold on.
Make me, motherfucker. Get the fuck off me, bitch.
Man.
You want to search?
Look, go ahead and search me. I have nothing but whatever drugs Tommy gave me because he's a drug dealer. Did you know that? He gives girls drugs all the time.
That's crazy.
Because he's so disgustingly fat and gross and sweaty. Fat,
Where are the
disgusting-
drugs?
Disgustingness? I don't know. Ask him.
Okay. If you have any on you,
I don't have any drugs on me.
they'll see it in the
Only
scanner when you get to
gives me
jail.
some when I have to ask him.
Okay.
It's gross.
Hold up for a second.
I fucking hope you die tonight in your sleep, you fucking fat piece of shit.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Sleep, you fucking fat piece of shit. Get off me. Get the fuck off me.
Stop!
Get the fuck off me.
Oh my God!
You want to fucking kick me? 442, start a squad.
After the struggle, the mood shifted. Officers become more concerned about her well-being. Much of their conversation was redacted from the audio, but a few moments still give us insight into what they were thinking.
Get her.
Huh? No.
Stop.
Stay down.
She hit her head. See blood.
Sit still. Sit still.
I mean, it's crazy, and it's like this could happen 100 times, but it's that and it's that one time where something like this will happen. You could throw a suspect to the ground 100 times, and it's that one time. And also, it's dangerous though in general, just because the suspect, you know, even though they're being rowdy and yada yada yada, we understand that, but you're throwing someone on the concrete and their hands are behind their back. They have nothing to protect themselves. So, damn. Oh my goodness, yo. This is insane.
You guys need anything? 442. You advise the squad when they come down Dakota. Valerie, you awake? She's got a bump on her head there. Where are you going? They're fine. I'm getting some statements.
Oh boy, this is bad. He better hope she don't.
Please. That way you can get someone. You go.
Yeah, that's right. She was snoring out cold.
She banged her head.
Yeah, I went to put her in the car and holding her here while Bella unlocked it, and she right back and donkey kicked me right here in the thigh.
What do you need? Oh, not much. I'm just gonna get them some statements to write, have him do a victim packet, and then go from there. We'll get her to the hospital.
Yeah, the whole vibe changed.
Yeah, sorry.
She's a wild one.
Yeah. Can you write a statement?
Sure. Yeah. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Jesus. I wanted to help you, but
Yeah, no, it's like she wasn't hurting me or anything.
Yeah,
I just, you know, I didn't
know
want to unnecessarily hurt her trying to get her
I don't know if you
custody.
hurt me or not. I kept asking you if you want me to, so like I could have grabbed her legs or something.
Nah, sorry. I was just waiting for him to get there to help me get her turned over.
Listen, she was here to get drugs.
Oh, here to get her.
It's a good one to watch.
What brand? What are we looking at?
All of it.
Just anything?
Yeah, a lot of meth.
Any and all?
Yeah.
Here's your squad.
Good. You'll probably need a cot. She's not going to walk. Okay. She went to kick me in the thigh, and we dumped her on the ground. When we did, she hit her head on the pavement, so she's got a big lump on one side of her head. So she's just kind of out of it right now.
Do you know if the chili's homelessness?
I don't think so. When she hit the ground, she started snoring, like making a snoring noise, but she was still eyes open watching, but so I would say you probably need a cot though, because she's not going to walk.
Yeah, she lost consciousness. Yeah, she lost. What do you think? She went night-night. What are you talking about? Did she lose? Yeah. The snoring ain't like, even though her eyes is open, people sleep with their eyes open. Like, she was out. That's it. Like, she was out for like, what, maybe a minute? She was out.
We're going to set you up, sweetie.
The whole vibe did change though.
Photographs. Oh, goodness gracious.
What happened was it?
She kicked him, so he pushed her down. He pulled her down to the ground. She bumped her head. She hit her head, so we had to go get her checked out.
Went from bad to worse real quick for her.
Yeah.
So,
Are you okay if we go to Super Valley? You want to go to Kettering?
Yep.
She is adamant about not wanting to go to UVMC, so they're going to take her to Kettering.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll go with them to Kettering to make sure they get her in the room right.
Appreciate you.
All right, thanks, Bobby.
Yeah, the whole vibe changed. I'm not even gonna lie. All that rah. Damn.
Valerie was charged with aggravated burglary, obstructing official business, illegal use and possession of drug paraphernalia, resisting arrest, aggravated possession of drugs, assault, resisting arrest, possession of drugs, and burglary. Notably, the resisting-related charges were dropped by the prosecutor, but for the remaining charges, she was given 3 years of probation. At Blue Line Body Cam,
3 years? Not. I guess that's not too bad. Yeah, the whole vibe changed. I know that officer, like, man, please wake up. Like, I know he in his head, like, he ain't doing that no more. That got him right. I ain't gonna lie to you. That got him right. He in his head, like, because we think about, you know, applying that act right and everything like that. And she is in the wrong. She kicked the officer, you know what I mean? And he dumped, like, she can't brace her fall, nothing. Like, it's because you're cuffed behind the back. Like, damn, she was out like a light. Gone. Like, oh man, he hit her with the TKO. That was crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That was crazy, man. But yeah, I don't even know. What am I saying? I'm gonna get the officers, man. They get man, they get a 4 out of 5 from me. You know what I'm saying? Overall, they did what they had to do. You do that 100 times, it's that one time that it goes south like that. You know what I mean? And who knows? She may have a couple of dollars coming to her. That may be from the guy above. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, she is cuffed. Now, I don't know how the cops do it, but the COs is a little different. You know what I'm saying? I come from correctional officer world, prison guard. You know, if you doing something, you know, if you get into it with an inmate or something, if you doing it and they got the cuffs on, it's like everybody look at you like, yo, that is so pussy. Like, that shit is so crazy. Like, it's like you can't beat up on a you can't get into it with an inmate and the guy can't even defend himself. Like, that's insane. We need the fair one-on-ones. We gotta get it shaken. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's how I go. You know, I'm being real. That's how I go. You know what I'm saying? Now, is there officers that do things when guys is cuffed and all that stuff? Yeah, there is. But on both sides, that's frowned upon. Like, from the inmate side of things, like, inmates gonna look at you like, what? And on the officer side of things, other officers gonna look at you like, you know what I'm saying? If you got a problem with somebody, you gotta handle it. You know what I mean? But you can't have him cuffed and you just, nah. It don't work like that. So yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen after this with that situation, but boy, oh boy. Anyway, yeah, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. I'm giving 4 out of 5. The only thing that was crazy, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, it'll happen 100 times, and it'll be, you know, that one time where it go really south. You know, luckily she snapped out of it. And she seemed to be okay. So, but yeah, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.